Dear brothers, today I would like to deliver khutbah about the danger of rumors and their impact on society. You know, rumors are among the most dangerous applications that threaten the cohesion and stability of societies. They spread like wildfire, carrying with them a great deal of misinformation and confusion. They distort facts, plant doubts, and weaken trust among individuals, especially in this fast-paced era where unverified words have become more influential and spread more rapidly than ever before. This makes the impact of rumors deeper and more dangerous than any previous time. Hence, the importance of awareness of their danger and the need to act responsibly when conveying information become clear in order to preserve the safety of society and integrity of its social fabric. What is the rumors? Rumors are pieces of news or information circulated among people without verifying their authenticity. They may be completely fabricated or distorted from the truth. They are spread intentionally or unintentionally and often rely on exaggeration and sensationalism to attract attention and achieve rapid spread. At their core, they represent a failure in the proper transmission of information, lacking credibility and evidence. This makes them a dangerous tool that misleads public opinion, undermines trust, and spread anxiety and instability within society. The Quranic foundation within the teachings of the Qur'an, a clear and a wise methodology is established, one that rejects haste and baseless assumption and instead promotes verification and the truth. The Qur'an establishes verification as a fundamental principle. Verification, tabayyun. Allah Rabbul Izzat says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu in ja'akum fasiqum binab'in fatabayyan. O you believe, if a wicked person comes to you with news, verify it, lest you harm people out of ignorance and then regret what you have done. This verse, this ayah, as the first line of defense against rumors. Imam Zamakhshari, the big Mufassir, he says, this verse emphasizes caution with any news from unreliable source, urging believers to seek clarity in the truth before accepting it. And the Quran also guided having good opinion of others. The Quran educates believers to think well of one another and not rush to believe false accusation. Allah Rabbul Izzat says in the incident of Ifk, incident of Ifk, Allah Rabbul Izzat says, لولا إذ سمعتموه ظن المؤمنون والمؤمنات بأنفسهم خيرا وقالوا هذا إفك مبين. Why? When you heard it, did not the believing man and woman think good of one another and say, this is a clear falsehood? This teaches believers to reject harmful rumors, especially when they concern people known for righteousness and integrity. And also Allah Rabbul Izzat says, إِسْتَلَقَّوْنَهُ بِأَلْسَنَتِكُمْ وَتَقُولُونَ بِأَفْوَاهِكُمْ مَا لَيْسَ لَكُمْ بِهِ عِلْمٍ وَتَحْسَبُونَهُ هَيِّنًا وَهُوَ عِندَ اللَّهِ عَظِيمٌ. Allah once again taking speech lightly. Once, when you received it on your tongues and said with your mouths that of which you had no knowledge, and you thought it was insignificant, while it was great in the sight of Allah. This highlights that careless speech, even if considered trivial, can be extremely serious in the sight of Allah. And that the prophetic guidance, Rasulullah said also strongly warned against lying and the careless transmission of information. He said, "Kafa bil mar'i kadiban an yuhadditha bi kulli ma sam." Described Imam Muslim. It is enough a lie for a person to narrate everything he hears. It is enough for lie. This hadith shows that simply repeating unverified information can make a person fall into falsehood. The Prophet ﷺ also warned, he says, Inna shaytana layatamassalu fi surati rajul fayatil qawm fayuhaddisuhum bil hadisi min al kidh fayatafarraqun. Satan may appear in the form of a man and spread false information among people so that there will be divided. This is strikingly similar to what is now known as a social media propaganda, troll accounts, anonymous online accounts that spread misinformation, create fear, and divide society. So do you know effects of rumors on individuals and on society completely? Individuals, so damage reputation. Rumors often forget a person's honor, destroying lives, causing divorce, or cutting livelihoods based on false claim. They create anxiety, fear, and emotional instability. They may push individuals toward harmful reactions driven by anger or revenge. And the effects on society is a breakdown of trust, the weakened relationship and the social cohesion. Used as a tool in psychological warfare to destabilize nations and division. They may incite sectarian or tribal conflict. Truth becomes mixed with falsehood, weakening critical thinking. Now, how to stop rumors early? How can stop rumors early? So, some key points. Rumors are like a small spark that can ignite a massive fire. To stop them, follow these key steps. Number one, verify before believing any news. Verify before believing. Ask, what is your reliable source? Always check credible sources before accepting or sharing any information. Number two, reject and do not engage. Do not share or interact with harmful or sensational rumors. Show clear disapproval. Number three, silence. Silence kills falsehood automatically. Let falsehood die through silence. Do not forward or spread harmful message. Number four, promote truth. Promote truth. Actively share verified and beneficial information to counter misinformation. Okay. And number five, be a role model in society. Everyone be a role model in society. Practical honesty and verification, a responsible individual helps build a conscious and a strong society. Finally, in conclusion, rumors are not just words. They are powerful forces that can destroy individuals and societies. Islam provides a complete system to combat them through verification, good opinion, responsibility, and truthfulness. By applying these principles, we can protect our communities and build a society grounded in trust, truth, and stability. Allah grant us ability to act these teachings. Barakallahu lana wa lakum fil Qur'an al-azim wa nafa'ana wa iyyakum bil ayati wa dhikril hakim.